We're at stop 5, back in Pano Lefkara, close to the Holy Cross Church. Following our Catodris roof tile discoveries, our curiosity is still not sated. We return to the car park of the Holy Cross Church and we're looking at the beautiful church. But our main purpose is to sort through piles of old roof tiles on the terrace below. We descend the steps with bated breath. We find Marseilles type tiles. Time to look more at the French connection. Beginning around 1850, expanding industrial production allowed for more efficient and large-scale production of clay roofing tiles. Also, increasing city growth led to rising demand for fireproof materials to limit the danger of urban fires. There was a shift from regional and hand-produced tiles to patented and machine-made tiles sold by large-scale companies. The Galladoni brothers of Altkirch in France were the first to develop a functional interlocking roof tile. Through the rest of the 19th century, many companies began refining and developing other versions of interlocking tiles. Another popular early interlocking tile pattern was the Marseilles, design invented by Martin brothers in Marseille, France, as early as the 1860s. The Marseille tile pattern is distinguished from other designs by its diagonal notches on the side rebate, as well as the teardrop-shaped end of its middle rib for effective water shedding. The Martin brothers invented the design. Its widespread use was more due to the pattern's adoption and international production after its original patent expired. The Marseille tile was widely exported to Cyprus and the Levant, and many places much further away in European colonies in South and Central America, Africa, New Zealand and Australia. All this was possible because they were carried in, initially French, ships as ballast. The ships returned to Europe loaded with exotic goods from far-flung lands. Worldwide recession caused most countries to tax imports, and French tiles suffered in the 1930s. One response by the French was to build or buy their own roof tile companies, such as Limassol Brick and Tile Company here in Cyprus. Others competed with the French, such as the Romanian Mușong industrial dynasty, who owned Kikinda, the tile factory in Serbia. They also exported to Cyprus. Even today, French-made roof tiles have a very important part of the Levantine market. In this last stop in Pano Lefkara village on the Roof Tiles Heritage Trail, you hear a closing story about a cat's paw print on a roof tile. Find the link to the map of the trail in the description to this video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.